What's up, everybody? Today I want to make a little trellis for these new garden beds that I have. I planted a lot of winged beans along the sides, some Seminole pumpkins, and also tomatoes, and eventually some other beans or peas. So I want a nice arched trellis to go over these beds that'll help provide shade and also something for all these vining and climbing vegetables to go up. I have a 16-foot piece of cattle panel, and a couple T-posts. We're gonna wedge those into the ground and then fold it over. The outside edge of these beds is about 7.5 feet. So, if you have, it's hard to find a arch calculator. You'd think you'd be able to find that pretty easy online, but it is not. So if you want to make a bed that is about 7 to 8 feet wide and a 16-foot cattle panel, then I'll let you know if you watch this video how tall that's going to be, because it'd be nice to be able to walk underneath it and not have to bend all the way over. So we'll find out. Let's get into this. I'm going to pound these T-posts into the ground, and then we'll be able to fold the cattle panel over. And I have some U-nails that I'll wedge into the wood here to hold it in place, and then the T-post. So let's get into this. So step one, I'm going to pound a T-post in on either side just to hold the panel in place. And I'm going to kind of angle it this a little bit like this when I pound it in. It'd be nice to have one of those T-post hammers, but this will work. See how that does? That'll at least hold it in place. So let me get this cattle panel in here and we'll fold it over and we'll see how tall it is. Oh yeah, this is way more than high enough. Perfect. This is perfect. Heck yeah. Just need another T-post in over here to hold this side in. Perfect. Unbelievable. Nice. This looks way better than I thought, guys. All right, the arch is done. Let's see how tall this guy is. Definitely taller than me, so I am 5'8". So this is perfect for me. I fit inside very nicely. So it's just about 5 foot 10 inches. So if I'm spaced about 8 feet apart right now, 7.5, 7 feet, and it would probably be 6 foot. So there you go, there's your measurements. 16-foot cattle panel at a 7.5 foot wide garden bed is about 6 feet tall at the middle. So I'm gonna get some U-nails, nail these into place, and then I'll be done. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna take these U-nails and nail the trellis to the wooden garden bed. You could probably just screw them down or use some kind of clamps or whatever, but I'm gonna use what I have on hand. That's some U-nails. One last step, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie the cattle panel to the T-post just for some more structural integrity, and that's it. That is all. I put the U-nails all along the bottom of the bed so it's securely fastened, and that's all, you guys. It is ready for some vegetables, so hopefully in the coming months we get a good crop. All right, let's get these zip tied. Okay, everybody, trellis is done, 6 feet tall, perfectly done and ready for some vegetables. If you guys are into gardening and would like to learn more stuff similar to this, then subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, you guys. It helps me grow and helps me reach more people. So lots of good tips. Check out my other videos, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Later, everybody.